Welcome to Brazil's countryside with Elka. Today we are at Lindoya, the national capital of mineral water, a city whose spring water was really important in history. But hold on a second, we'll talk about it later. Okay, now we are at the following town, Águas de Lindoya, and we'll explore a little of its central area and a great event which takes place here once a year.
Good morning, bom dia. Today we are at the Encontro Brasileiro de Autos Antigos. This event happens every year in the city of Águas de Lindoya in the countryside of São Paulo state.
In an area of almost 70,000 meters in a beautiful bucolic setting, the town is hosting for the 10th year the biggest event about Brazilian antique cars. A large open-air exhibition brings together vehicles from collectors and antique car clubs from all over the country. Besides the exhibition, the event also counts on a complete flea market, sales, and auctions of antique cars. Speaking about flea markets, take a look at this one over here. You can literally find any items for any cars. Besides, there are also toy stands and clothes shops. It's amazing. Okay, just paused for a short snack. I was hungry. Let us go. Second stop for a snack, but this time I tried a sausage sandwich. I also had a espetinho, beef chunks organized on a stick and grilled as barbecue. Yum! Hey, hold on a second. Take a look at this water bottle, Lindoya. The same one shown in the beginning of this video produced right next to here. This mineral water was used in the Apollo 11 mission, man's first trip to the moon. NASA chose the city's water because of its qualities such as low acidity and high purity, and also because of studies carried out by scientist Marie Curie in 1926 on the radioactive properties of local water. The purchase of 100 boxes of mineral water totaling 600 liters was made in April 1969, a few months before the historic mission. The water was transported in glass bottles with aluminum caps and sent to the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, where Apollo 11 was launched. Lindoya Verão, the company responsible for the water, has records of the purchase and displays the invoice as a historical marker. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more about Brazil's countryside with Elka. See you!